Now let's solve this problem without using trigonometric tables. Evaluate sin square 34 degree plus sin square 56 degree plus 2 tan 18 degree into tan 72 degree minus cot square 30 degree. Now look at this. This 34 degree I can write it as 90 degree minus 56 degree, right? 90 degree minus 56 degree is how much? 34 degree. Therefore, I will write it as sin square. This 34 degree, I will write it as 90 degree minus 56 degree. Okay? Plus sin square 56 degree plus 2. This tan 18 degree. 18 degree can be written in the form of 90 degree minus 72 degree. Right? Because when we will subtract 90 minus 72, we will get 18. Therefore, 2 into tan 18 degree, I will write it as 90 degree minus 72 degree into tan 72 degree minus cot square 30 degree. Now we know the formula. Sin 90 degree minus theta is what? Cos theta, right? Sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. In the same way, sin square 90 degree minus theta, it will become cos square theta. So, here we have sin square 90 degree minus 56 degree. Means in the place of theta, we have 56 degree. Therefore, cos square. Here what we have to write? 56 degree. Because in the place of theta, we have 56 degree. Okay. Therefore, this sin square 90 degree minus 56 degree can be written as cos square 56 degree plus sin square 56 degree plus 2 into tan 90 degree minus theta is what? Cot theta, right? Tan 90 degree minus theta is cot theta. Here we have tan 90 degree minus 72 degree. Means in the place of theta we have 72 degree. Therefore we can write cot theta means 72 degree. Tan 90 degree minus 72 degree can be written as cot 72 degree into tan 72 degree minus cot square 30 degree. Now look at this. We remember one formula. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Right? Here we have cos square 56 degree plus sin square 56 degree is equal to what? 1. Because in the place of theta we have 56 degree, 56 degree. Means theta is same. Therefore, sin square 56 degree plus cos square 56 degree is 1. This one. Cos square 56 degree plus sin square 56 degree. I will write it as 1 plus 2 into cot 72 degree. We know that cot theta, it is the reciprocal of tan theta, right? It means cot theta, we can write it as 1 by tan theta. Here cot 72 degree, I will write it as 1 by tan 72 degree. Okay. that is cot 72 degree, I will write it as 1 by tan 72 degree into tan 72 degree minus cot square 30 degree. Okay. Now see here, 1 plus tan 72 degree cancels. Therefore, 2 into 1 is 2 minus cot square 30 degree. Now, we have to take the help of trigonometric table. We know that cot 30 degree is what? What is the value of cot 30 degree? Is root 3. Right? Therefore, 1 plus 2 minus cot 30 degree, it is root 3. Then cot square 30 degree. What it will become? Root 3 square. Therefore, cot square 30 degree, I will write it as root 3 square. Okay. 1 plus 2, 3 minus, for this one, square root and square cancel. 3 plus 3 minus 3 is what? 0. The value is 0. Hope you have understood. Thank you.